Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on the simple past. We hope you have a very First, let me introduce myself. I'm Miss Juja Aili. Welcome. Okay, first, remember that the simple past is used for things that happened before now. For the simple past, we use expressions like yesterday, the day before yesterday, last week, or 2 years ago. Let's learn with Andrew James. In this moment, Andrew James is happy, but he was sick yesterday. Andrew James likes basketball, and he played basketball on Monday. Remember, for regular verbs, you add ed. Play, played. His favorite hobby is to ride his bike, and he rode his bike last week. Remember, irregular verbs, you have to remember. Ride, rode. In affirmative sentences, you have to remember that the verbs are divided into regular verbs and irregular verbs. And in negative sentences and questions, we use the auxiliary did for the simple past. Now it's time to move on practicing your simple past tense.